Good morning, all of you. Today we will discuss, as we had discussed the coal and petroleum, yesterday we started this chapter. In this chapter, we had discussed natural resources, the material that is present in nature. After that, we had discussed the exhaustible, inexhaustible, then renewable and non-renewable resources. Now, today we will discuss about the fuels, that is the fossils, right? Today we will discuss about fuels. Before sharing the screen, I'm just giving you the introduction. What do you mean by the fuel? Anyone can tell me what is the meaning of fuel? Anyone? Yes, Jayant, unmute yourself.
Fuel is used for running our vehicles.
Okay, running for our vehicles. Okay. So how they running our vehicles? What is there? What they will give us?
Petroleum.
What they will give us to run your vehicles?
But which vehicles?
Yes. Any other? Suppose, Javant, you are eating food. If I am telling it with the food, what food will gives you? How your body run, how your body walk, how you will perform
nutrition.
What it will give?
Nutrition.
Nutritions. Wait, Paramji. Javant, wait.
Energy.
Energy. That means these fuels, they will give us energy when they will burn. As we are eating food, we will, when we eat food, so after that respiration and the oxidation of food, and after that it will gives us energy in this. So that is called fuel. Fuel is what? Fuel means when the materials they burn to produce heat energy. They burn and they gives us energy. That is called fuels. What do you mean by fuels? The material that burn and produce heat energy is called, are called fuels. Right, Bete? This is called fuels. Now, as yesterday I told you, we will discuss about fossils. What is the difference between fuels and the fossil? Fossil fuels kya hai? What is the main difference in these two terms? Here it also gives energy. This will also gives energy because the coal and petroleum, these comes under the fossils. Fossils के अंदर हमारे पास coal and petroleum आता है, right? This is the example of fossils: natural gas, coal, petroleum, natural gas. Now they will also gives us energy. Then why we are writing here fossil and here we are writing the fuels? What is the main difference? These two terms. देखो, when the coal and petroleum, as Jayant told, कि petroleum run for, मतलब it helps to run our vehicles, right? So petroleum is also a fuel. Why we are writing the fossils? Why we are writing fossils here? What is the difference? That means, what is fossil? Fossils means when it will take years, means long time to form these fuels, that is called fossils. When any substance take long time for its formation, then this is called fossil. Then this is called fossil. Means near about 300 million years ago, we can say. ठीक है, जब ये इतना टाइम लेंगे to make the fuels, that is called fossils. The difference between the two terms is clear, bete? Why we are saying coal and petroleum is called fossils? क्यों कहते हैं? Because when it take near about this much of time they will take then these are called fossils. No doubt, when they burn, they will also give heat energy. They will also give heat energy when they will burn. But the main difference, it takes long time for its formation. It takes long time for its formation. Is it clear, bete? Clear? Is it clear, bache? Any doubts? Okay, right. In this, I'm just sharing the screen. Then we will discuss the coal. Wait. You can see the term fossils here, right? Fuels, the materials which are burnt to produce heat energy are called fuels. And what is the called fossils? As I told you, when they will take millions of years for its formation, means the remains. और यहाँ पे ना एक line और underline कर लीजिए, यहाँ पे specially कि coal. Here you can see in the definition of the fossils, I had written the remains of dead plants and animals. Bache, make sure, don't do this. Don't do this. Here you can see the remains of dead plants and animals when they buried under the earth millions of years ago is called fossils. Clear है? Difference दोनों में term में clear है? Right? Now, under this fossils, we will discuss the first fossil fuel, that is coal. All of you are familiar with the coal. Koila, that is called koila. सबको पता है how it looks. It is black in color, hard in nature, right? Black in color, hard substance है, that is called coal, right? Coal is hard in nature, black in color, right? Up how it forms. Here you have to learn one main difference. What is this? Listen carefully. As on the screen you can see, the definition of the fossil is given the remains of dead plants and animals. Coal is formed, but just stop talking.
करूंगा होली करूंगा चलते पे अगे भी सबसे बड़ी बात
Yes. Here on the screen, you can see remains of plants and animals. But how this coal is formed? Coal is formed when plants and trees buried under the earth. See, as I am telling, there is difference coal formation and the fossils. Fossils are the dead remains of plants and animals. But how coal is formed? Coal is formed by the dead remains of plants and trees. When these plants and trees, they got buried in the soil, they converted into a fossil. One of the fossil that is called coal. Before sharing the next slide, I'm just telling you how it is formed. Dekho, if we talk about 300 million years ago, the earth was covered with the huge trees. Earth was covered with the huge. Then how coal is formed? Coal is formed when the plants and the trees or the vegetation, they got buried under the soil. Means before 300 years ago, agar hum baat kare, the all over, like the earth was covered with the huge trees and the plants only. मतलब forest ही forest था, ठीक है. The earth was covered with the trees only, right? After means you can say due to the natural calamities, what we will say, as all of you are familiar, like yesterday you all of you had seen in the news that in McLeodganj badal fata, all of you are aware, right? So kitni heavy rainfall is there. So when these type of the natural calamities occur, तो क्या होता है, जितनी चीजें रास्ते में आएंगी ये सबको लेती जाएंगी. You had seen in the news even कि cars है रास्ते में तो पानी cars को भी आगे लेके जा रहा है. In the same way when the plants will come, ठीक है, in between, so they uprooted the plants also. When these plants got uprooted and they buried under the soil, and after that again the soil covered again soil covered this layer, again the layer is layer, layers were there. So what will happen? Look here. Suppose I'm just telling it to you, like this is एक area लिया हमने. Here the plants and these are buried, right? All here these are plants. When they got buried under the high temperature and the pressure, they got buried under the soil. When they buried, then what happened? Because when they will high temperature and pressure, it buried, then compression occur. Means the things will be compressed. What will happen after some time? After some years, what will happen? This layer जो यहाँ थी, it will come over here because it again compressed it, right? The plants got here, right? After years, what will happen? It will come over here, right? In the same way, it will come here. Means this is the third step. We can say this is the fourth step. Means when plants these got buried under the soil, they with the high temperature and pressure, they compressed. Again layering ऊपर आई, ये और नीचे press हो गए. Again layering और आई, ये और नीचे press हो गए. Again press हो गए. Due to this compression, coal is having 4 types. Due to this compression and pressure, coal is having 4 types. कौन कौन सी? ये पहली है इसकी peat, right? Then lignite, right? Then bituminous, then anthracite. These 4 types of coal will form. Getting my point? After high compression with the high temperature and the pressure, coal, the plants, they got buried under the soil. Again and again they compressed and they converted into these 4 types. What is the difference in these 4 types? What is there in these 4 types? These are having the different type of carbon content. It is having 60% carbon. It is having 70% carbon. It is having 80%. And it is having 90% carbon. The difference between these types, these are having different percentage of carbon, and this is the best. This is the best. Anthracite is the best form of coal because it is having the 90% carbon content. It is having 90% carbon content. Means now what we will write in your book, the paragraph is given how coal is formed. We will write in the points form. How we will write? We will write down the coal is formed by the dead remains of the plants and the trees or the vegetation. They got buried under the soil due to the natural calamities. Due to natural calamities like volcanoes, earthquakes, floods, number of the things occur, and due to these natural calamities, they got buried under the soil. In the absence of oxygen, there is no oxygen. There is no oxygen. That is, in the absence of oxygen, they converted into one of the fossil that is called coal. Right? I am again writing in this form. This is just, I told you, you will write the next heading like this, types of coal. Types of coal. Here you will write down the 4 points. Peat, lignite, anthracite, and the last one is bituminous. Bituminous. Right? These are the 4 types of the coal. What is the difference in these 4 types? This is having 60% carbon, 60 to 70% होता है इसके अंदर, 80%, and here it is 90% carbon. Here it is 90% carbon. Here you have to note down one term also, carbonization. Carbonization. Note down the one term also, carbonization, that is slow conversion of plants, slow conversion of plants and trees, slow conversion of plants and trees into the fossil, that is coal, is called carbonization. मतलब बहुत धीरे धीरे, this process will take long time, very slowly it is converted. That's why we used to say कि when these fossils will exhausted, we are not able to get, because this is the slow process. Because this is the slow process. It is a very slow process. That's why we need time to make this coal. So that's why we used to say he use in a very proper manner. Right? The process, the slow process. Write down, carbonization is a slow process of conversion of dead plants, conversion of plants, dead plants into coal. That is called carbonization. And types of coal, I told you. What are the different types of coal? That is peat, lignite, anthracite, and bituminous. Right? Peat is the upper layer, then lignite, then anthracite, then coal or bituminous. Sorry, we had written, ये change करना. Here you will write, उधर मैंने ठीक लिखा था, write down bituminous and anthracite. This is having 90% carbon and it is having 80%. ये change कर लीजिए, sorry. Peat, lignite, bituminous and anthracite.